Okay, welcome back. Today I will show you how to make a QR code using Flutter, and today I'm using Project IDX as a platform to make the application. So first, you must install the dependency. It's called QR underscore Flutter, and on this day the version is 4.1.0. So let's just install it by copy this line of code and paste it in here and enter. Still download, and yeah, it's okay, it has been downloaded. And let's make a new screen. It's called kr generator, maybe dot start. Now let's class kr generator extends stateless. Let's just stateful widget for now. kr generator kk super kk, and then add override, sorry, kr generator create state kr generator class kr generator extend state kr generator, like this. And then don't forget to add the build context override widget build context double x return scaffold for now, body. Nah, and then we can use column children widget, like this. So the first one, after we install the dependency, we can paste the import project like this, paste, and then we can see at the readme section that we can call the widget by call it kr image view. So it's just kr image view like this. Nah, and the data is something like when we scan the QR code, what we want to pass the parameter by. For example, when we scan it, it's generate number 1, it's generate number 2, or etc. So let's today for today I just want to say it worked in string. And then there's some parameter like background color, so the QR that has been generated not just plain white but has so many color, like you can choose it white, black, red, blue, you name it. And then on the embedded image, it's like watermark below the QR code. So for example, when you look at the QR code, some like say bit.ly, it has a watermark on below the QR code like that. Now you can use embedded image and you can just import it, and because I have no image in this project, so I don't use it. And then there's let's say version. Nah, version is important. For example, version in particularly QR code, there's level 1 until 40. What's level actually? You can see in here that it says that the picture, for easy understanding, that version 1 until version 40, it makes the QR so complicated and so much bigger than before. So because we don't know how to use it, for example, we don't know what version what we want to use, I think we can follow the instruction that we can use version.auto, kr version.auto, like this. And then we can use the size. Yeah, for example, in this part I use 200 like this. And yeah, don't forget, like this. In this cross alignment we can use center, main alignment we can use center too, like this. And we can save it and call it in here, QR generated, like this. Save. And yeah, something like this is the QR code that we can make. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you don't. Yeah, just subscribe it if you like the video. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.